Now we are going to see comparison of two functions. So if I will give you two functions, then you have to tell me that which one is going to be the bigger of that, means which one is going to be the bigger function out of that. Okay, so the topic is comparison of two functions. So I have given you two functions. If I give you two functions, you have to tell me that which one is going to be the bigger one, which one is going to be the bigger one, which is going to be the bigger of the function. Okay, so how to compare? Okay, so first thing, rule 1 is saying to compare two function, always take always take always take in as some bigger number, always take an in as some bigger number, always take n as some bigger number in the power of 2. In the power of 2 you take, so that it will be easy for us to compare. In the power of 2, that is, you should take some number like n equal to 2 to the power 1024, the bigger number. Okay, don't take less than that. Never take smaller one, and the number which is not the number which is not in power of 2, and the number which is not in power of 2. Okay, and the number which is not in power of 2. Right, second point. We also take log 2 of the number to compare which one is smaller, compare which one is smaller or greater. So after that we can take log of the number to compare which one is smaller or greater, means some function, some number they have given. Now you don't know that whether which one is greater or not, so you can take the log of log base 2 of that number. Okay, third point, in this way it will be easy for us to compare. Always try to find, see, third one is always try to find the pattern, always try to find the common term, always try to find the common term, always try to find the common term always try to find the common term between them and cancel the common term, cancel the common term. So if they have given you two function, okay, like n and another they have given n log n, so always try to find the common term between them and cancel the common term. So common term is n, so cancel that, so it is like 1 and it is log n, so you know that log n is going to be the greater in that way. Okay, always try to write all the value in common base and in common term, so that we can compare well, so always try to write the number in common term so that we can compare well. because it's so now see the next one. So I think that you have written that. Okay, now see example. We are having two functions, that is 2 to the power n and another is n square. So they have given two functions and we need to find that which one is bigger. So by seeing that only you can say that this is exponential, this is polynomial. So always exponential is going to be the bigger one. But sometimes you get confused. Okay, so what you can do, you can take the log of that. So you can write taking log on both sides, on both, like this. Means those who don't know that exponential is always going to be bigger than the polynomial function. So then you can take the log. So you know that if that which is in the power, it will come outside in the beginning, then log 2 base 2. So it is going to be 1 only, and here 2 will come. Okay, it's log n 2. Am I clear? So here you are getting n, here you are getting 2 into log n. So log n is the smaller than n. Still, if you are having doubt, you can take then some number as a power of 2, like let n equal to 2 to the power 1024. Then this function is going to give you as 2 to the power 1024. This you are going to get here, and here you are going to get as 2 log 2 to the power. You can take 2 to the power. So I need to go to the next slide, or there only you can write there, right? 2 to the power log 2 to the power 1024 base 2. So it will be 2 into this will come 1024, and you know that 1024 is 2 to the power 10. 2 into 2 to the power 10, it is going to 2 to the power 11. See, it is giving you 2 to the power 11, it is giving you 2 to the power 1024. This one is bigger, this one is bigger. So you can write n square is equal to big O of 2n. Okay, this way you can find. So that's why I have told you, always try to write the term in the common base. See, common base, so that you can able to compare that which one is greater. Am I clear? Anyone having any doubt? So in this way we will do. Okay. So you take the term. So whenever you are facing difficulties that which one is bigger, then take log of that. Okay. Understood. Fine. So now going to the next one. Similar type of question is there. Like next one is your 3 to the power n, and here is 2 to the power n. Okay. There is 3 to the power n, it is 2 to the power n. Now tell me which is going to be the bigger one. Take log on both sides. So it is going to be log 3n 2. Here it is going to log 2n 2. So n will come. Here it's log 3 2. So it will be something 1 point something. Okay. Because log 3 base 2 is going to be 1 point something. And here n will come. And here it, sorry. Then log 2 base 2, it's going to be 1 only, it's going to n. See, it is bigger than the term this one. It is bigger because of the term this one. So here you are having the common term. So I have told you, if anything is in the common, then you cancel it out. So in this two, n is common. So here you are getting 1, and here you are getting 1 point something. So this one is greater. Okay. So this one is greater. Understood now? Now next one, third, you take n square and n log n. This is the function. Now see, here n is common. To cancel out, you have cancelled one n. So you are having n, and there you are having log n. So you know that this is going to be the bigger. Okay, that you have seen. Then 4, we have seen this. Okay. Then fourth one is n log n base 200. From this I will teach you one thing, why I am saying always you to take bigger number. because I am saying that n is, if you see the function, the that one, the asymptotic notation that in the first day I have taught you. So there I have shown you that this is the rate of the growth, here time, and here was the n with the size. So it was going like this, and there after some, it was like it was CGN. When after some value of n naught, it was going always greater. Okay, that we have seen the theta. Okay, that we have seen. So I have told you that n is going to be greater than equal to n naught, and for bigger value we are always going to think. Okay, so in this problem, if you will take some smaller value, then you will get incorrect answer. But if you will take bigger one, then you will get the correct answer. Let me first take the log of that. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. So here it will be log n base 2, and here it will be log, then log n base 2 100. Okay, so it is in power, 100 will come, 100 will come here, then you are going to get log. Okay, then you are going to log of log n. Okay, understood? Now take here n equal to 2 to the power, I am taking in here, I am going to the next slide. Okay, so here you got log n base 2, and here you got 100, and here you got 100 log n base 2. Okay, now if you take n equal to, you take n equal to 2 to the power 128. Now see n here, so it's going to be 2 to the power 128. See, this I am taking incorrect value of n, just to explain you why I am saying you to take the bigger one. Then you take here 100, it will be log, then log of 2 to the power 128 2. So it will be 128, because power, and log 2 is log 2 base 2 is going to be 1. Here you will get 128, here it will get 100, then log of, here you will get 128 2. Okay, so you can write 128 as a power of 2 to the power 7, 2 to the power 7 base 2. So then you are going to get 100 into 7, so you are going to get 700. So if you are taking n equal to 2 to the power 128, then this function is greater, then this function is greater. But now I will take n equal to same 2 to the power 1024, then we will see. If you are done with the writing, then please let me know. Mansu is saying done. Pratiksha is saying done. Fine, because is saying done. Now take n equal to the power 1024. Okay, and see 1024 is equal to 2 to the power 10. So there you are going to get log 2 to the power 1024 base 2. So here you are going to get 1024, that is equal to 2 to the power 10. There it was, the equation was 100 into log of log n base 2. It is going to be 100 into log n equal to 2 to the power 1024 base 2. Now see, so here you are going to get 2 to the power 10, that is 1024. It is 2 to the power 10. You are going to get here 10 only. So like 100 into log 2 to the power 10 2, so power will come 10, and then log 2 base 2 is going to 1 only, we are going to get 100. Now see, this one is greater, see this one is greater. So if you're taking the bigger value, then this function is showing is the greater, but if you're taking the smaller one, then it was showing the this one. That's why I advise you to always take the bigger value, because our function is saying that after some value, means there was some n naught was there in between 2 to the power 1024, okay, 1024, in between that we have taken, what the number we have taken, it was 2 to the power 128. So n naught is greater than 2 to the power 128. Okay, that number that you are saying now there, that after some value of n naught it will, so n naught is greater than 2 to the power 128. That's why we take the bigger value. Okay, so that we should know. Am I clear? 5 n to the power log n next one is n log n. So again you take log on both sides, so log n log n, here base 2, then here log n log n. Yeah, if you take the small value, then the result is going to be the wrong one, because you know that asymptotic notation is saying that after some value of n naught, and n naught is always going to be some bigger value, then only the CFG, that CGN function is going to be greater. Okay, after some this was like that. So this is going to be some bigger value. That's why we are always going to take the bigger value of n. Okay, so don't check for n equal to 2 to the power 10 or 2 to the power 5 or like this. Always take 2 to the power 1024. It's a very big number. It's like 2 to the power 10. If you want some more bigger number, then take 2 to the power 64, like this. Take bigger number, okay, then compare. Now see, this one. Okay, so if this will go in the beginning, then log n base 2, then it is going to log n, then plus log of log n. This is the property of a log. If something is written in the multiplication, you can write in the term of sum. So it's going to be log n, then plus log of log n. Okay, so this will come in the beginning like this. Now take n equal to some value, n equal to 2 to the power 1024. Okay, I have also taken the same. So log going to be 2 to the power 1024, then log 2 to the power 1024, then 2 here. So here you are going to get 2 to the power 10, then here also you are going to get 2 to the power 10. So here you are going to get 2 to the power 20. So in this function you are going to get 2 to the power 20. Now in here it's log of 2 to the power 1024 plus log of log is 2 to the power 1024. Okay, so it's going to be 2 to the power 10 plus log of, this is going to give you 2 to the power 10, this will come, then it's like 2 to the power 10 plus 10 only. See, this is going to be so much bigger number. It's 2 to the power 10 and it's like 1024 plus 10, just 1034. Okay, am I clear? So it's going to 2 to the power 20. Please let me know whether it is clear. So this one is going to be the bigger, so this is going to be the big O. So out of, in GATE exam, they will give some function and they will ask which functions, write the function in increasing order of their big O. Okay, which one is bigger? Is your example 6, root of log n and next one is log of log n. Now first you people try. First. I have taught you how to compare the function. Now you people try. So this you can write it as a log n half. Okay. Now if you want to take the log, you can take it. So take log on both sides. Log of log n half. It is going to be log of log, then log n. So here I will take n equal to 2 to the power 64. Okay, I am taking more bigger one. Okay, so it is going to give log. So since it is in power, it will come in the beginning. So let me write. Half, then log of n base 2. Okay, so half log of n is going to your, why I have taken this kind of number, because here I am doing 2 times log. Okay, 2 times log, that's why I have taken, so that we'll able to get some number, so that base will be same. See, when I will do it will be clear. In place of n you can write 2 to the power 64 base 2. So this is going to give your half log, this is going to give you 2 to the power 64. The power will come, now again half, again 64 will come, and it is 64 is going to your 32, that is your 2 to the power 5 into 2, like see, then 4, then 6, it's like 2 to the power 6. So if you divide by 2, you are going to get 2 to the power 5. Okay, you are going to get 2 to the power 5. Now take in the next slide I will solve the next one. Okay, log of log and log of log log of, what was that, then log n base 2. Okay, now log is 2 to the power 2 64. So here you are going to get 2 to the power 64, then you are going to get 64 is your 2 to the power 6, then you are going to get, this is the smaller, you are getting 6. Yeah, Himanshu, correct, very good. I will say correct. So root n is greater, understood na? Root n is greater. Am I clear? Large के लिए सही आ रहा है. Yeah, that's why I told you that you have to always take n equal to some bigger number. Always take n equal to 2 to the power 1024 or 2 to the power, or you take some number as 2 to the power something. Okay, like this, like something this. So this is going to the bigger number. Since you are taking the log, you will get some number in base 2. Okay, that's why I'm taking power 2, then again power 2, then again power 2. Okay, now see the next one and try. So the bigger number is going to your big O. Okay, the bigger number is going to your big O. Try this. Okay, so you can take the log here, take log on both sides, so you are going to get log, it is n half. Okay, root is half n, then n half, here n, if you take log n log n, you are going to get log n, then again log n base 2 base 2. Here you are going to get n half, then log n base 2. Now see, here is common term log n base 2, cancel it out, log n base 2. It's root n and log n base 2. I think that we have compared this. If we have not compared, then fine, we will again compare. So we are going to now compare n half and log n base 2. So you will take log on both sides. Okay, so it's going to be log n half 2 and it is going to be log of log n 2. Now take, so half is going to be here, then log n base 2. Now you take, so you take 2 to the power 1024. Okay, n equal to 2 to the power 1024. So here you are going to get half into 2 to the power 10, that is going to be 2 to the power 9, because if you will put n equal to half log 2 to the power 1024 2, so you are going to get 2 to the power 10 here, so it's going to total give 9. Now here it's log, then log 2 to the power 1024 base 2, you are going to get log, then you are going to get 2 to the power 10 here, then base 2. Here you are going to get 10 only, so root n is going to be the bigger one. Compare the, so it is your GATE 2011 question. Okay, fine. GATE 2011 question. Now they are saying they compare the given four functions. They are asking you to compare the given four functions. They are asking which one is the greater one. Okay. Oh, fine. Now tell me which one is greater. In decreasing order you have to say that which one is greater, then after that which one is greater, then after that which one is greater. In GATE exam they have given the four options and they are asking you to arrange the, means you have to first tell me the which, write in descending order of their asymptotic notation. So which one is first bigger, then the second largest, then the third largest, then the fourth largest. Tell me. Now see. Now I will say 2 to the power n was there. Aru's answer is correct. Okay. N to the power 3 by 2, then n log n base 2, then n to the power log n base 2. So take log on both sides, means all the function, it will be log 2n 2, it will be log n 3 by 2 2. Here you will take log n log n 2, then here also you are going to take log n log n 2. So this is going to give you n, this is going to give you n. मेरा भी सही. Okay, good. It is going to give you 3 by 2 log n base 2. It is going to give you log n, then plus log of log n2, and it is going to give you power is going to come in the beginning. Yes sir, my bad. Now I got correct answer. Very good Pratiksha. Log n base 2, then log n. Okay, now take n equal to 2 to the power 1024. So here you are going to get 2 to the power 1024, then 3 by 2 is going to your, will take, it's going to give it 2 to the 10, so it's 3 by 2, 3 into 2 to the power 9, so it's like 3 into the 9 is going to give you 1536. Let me write that. If you do the multiplication, you are going to get 1536. This one, it's going to give you 2 to the power log 2 to the power 1024 2 plus log, then log 2 to the power 1024. You can verify your answer. It's going to give you 2 to the power 10 plus log 2 to the power 10, then it is going to give you 2 to the power 10 plus 10. Okay, because this will come. Now this one we have to see. Yeah, this we have to see. I need to go to the here only I am checking. Okay, so that easy. So directly I am doing. So here you will give n as 2 to the power 1024. So log 2 to the power 2 to the power 10 you are going to give. 2 to the 10 is 1024. Then log 2 to the power 2 to the power 10 2. Okay, so you are going to get 2 to the power 10, then 2 to the power 10, that is going to your and write 2 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 10, that is going to be 2 to the power 20. So it is your 2 to the power 20, it is your 2 to the power 2 to the power 10. Okay, so it's like 2 to the power 1024. Here it's 2 to the power 20, here is 1536, here is you can write is 1024 plus 10 is going to your 1034. You are going to get 1034. Okay, now see whether it is clear or not. Now tell me whether it is now clear or not. Like 1024 plus 10, that is going to your 1034. So you know that this is in more power, 2 to the power 1024. So this is going to be the bigger one. Then it's 2 to the power 20. F4 is the bigger one. Then out of these two is only the smaller one. Okay, this one is the bigger. Okay, F2. Then clear. So this carry 2 marks in your GATE exam. This is your GATE 1994. For 2 marks they have asked. Find which one is greater. Okay, one is greater means you have to say which one is bigger of that. Which one is greater? Okay, I will give the answer. One is greater. So Fn is going to your n cube, here n square. So 0 to n 10,000, then n greater than equal to 10,000. Fn and Gn is this n cube 0 is smaller than equal to n greater than equal to. Now you have to say whether Fn is equal to big O of Gn or Gn is equal to big O of Fn, means which one is greater. Fn is greater or Gn is greater. If Gn is greater, then this one is true. If Fn is greater, then this one is true. Now see this with the equation I will explain. So this is Fn and this is Gn. Okay, so when the value is from 0 to 99, the value of Fn is Fn is 0 to 99 is n cube, and then Gn is n. Okay, Gn is n. Now 100 to 99, this 100 to 999, then 100 to 99 Fn is n cube, and it is also Gn is also n cube. Now greater than equal to 10,000, it is fn is n square and gn is n cube. Gn is n cube. It means that the function is like, fn was in the beginning it's like this, like this, like this, then it went like this, it decreased, it's n square. And gn is like, this is your fn, and gn is like first n, then n cube, then n, first n then n cube. Okay, so means after which value it's become greater, 100, so it's then always greater, it's like cgn. After the value, yeah, gn is greater, because after the input n naught is your, you can even say that, 10,000, because here is n cube and n cube, both will be equal only at that time, both value is going to be equal. But after when n naught reaches to 10,000, then always gn is going to be greater. So I have always told you that fn is going to be big O of gn for some value of n, and n is always going to be greater than equal to n naught, and you have to assume n is some bigger number, and here n naught is 10,000, and n naught is your 10,000. Okay, so gn is greater. Okay, so fn is big O of gn, so this is the correct one, because for the, when the n naught, see, I have always told you that whenever you take asymptotic notation, that after some value of n naught, that is the threshold one, if that gn is always going to be greater, like this is n naught, gn is always going to be greater. Okay, understood now? Anyone having any doubt? Please let me know if anyone having any doubt. Log n square or log of 2n is same or different, whether these two are same or different, because the student get confused between these two, whether it is same or different, please tell me. So these are the common things where student do mistake. Okay, these two are not same. See here, it's saying log n to the power 2, it is log n, power means repetition, log n 2. Here log is going to get repeated, log n, this is okay. So these two are different. Here it's a repetition of log. So if you take anything n equal to 2 to the power 1024, so it is going to give you log 2 to the power 1024 2, then log to the power 1024 2. So it's going to give you 2 to the power 10 into 2 to the power 10, that is going to your 2 to the power 20. Here you are going to get 2 to the power 20. Now here you will get log base 2, log 2 to the power 1024, you are going to get log base 2, that is 2 to the power 10 you are going to get, then 2 you are going to get here 10. So this one is greater. Now see, get 2017, let's get 2017. So right, consider the, it is also a good question, so consider the following function, consider the following function from, so we are going to see all the previous year question, but first let me complete the syllabus, or after some topic we will go to the previous year questions. Okay, because now you can do the previous year questions, so we will start also the previous year questions from positive integer to real number, to real numbers. Okay, so your number is 10 root n n log 2 n, then 100 n. Now they are asking the correct arrangement of the above function the above function in increasing order of asymptotic complexity is. So they've given the option. I will not give you the option. You will give me the, means you have to say me the with the number only, that whether this one is greater or this one is greater, like this. Okay. So this is the question. Consider the following function from positive integer to real number. The correct arrangement of the above function in increasing order of the asymptotic notation. Okay, in increasing order. First is smaller than greater, you have to take. Okay, understood? So you can take, it is 10, it is n to the power half. Okay, that is root n and n, and here it is log n, and here it is 100 by n, 100 by n. Okay, so if you take, let n equal to 2 to the power 1024, let n equal to 2 to the power 1024, then here you are going to get 10, here you are going to get 10, and here you are going to get, it's like 2 to the power 1024, 2 to the power 1024, power half, so that is going to your 2 to the power 5, 1, 2, and here is n, so you are going to get, here you are going to get n equal to, that is 2 to the power 1024, then log of that is going to your 2 to the power 10, so this will come log of that, and here it will be 100 divided by 100 divided by your 2 to the power 1024. So it is going to be the decimal, it will, you will get something in decimal. So this is the least one, this is the least one, this is the least one. Okay, this is the list. So smallest is going to this first. In increasing order they have asked, this is the first, then second is 10, the second is 10, then the third one is going to your 2 to the power 10, that is log n, 2 to the 10, third, fourth is going to your this, then fifth is going to your 10. Clear? Anyone having any doubt?